Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all of us. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greetings of it. For the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Putri from Samarinda State Polytechnic, majoring in Business Administration, study program Marketing Management. Here is a representative who will present the result of research that has been carried out entitled Navigating Consumer Behavior to Digital Marketing, a study on Tokopedia in the Industry 4.0 era. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that the development and penetration of the internet is growing rapidly every year. So, the companies make an innovation and create a buying and selling business without bringing together a seller and buyer, or what we can be called e-commerce. Lots of giant companies are competing to attract consumers to use their e-commerce application, such as Tokopedia, as an option for shopping. The existence of e-commerce makes consumer behavior change. For example, when marketing 1.0 to 3.0, everything was traditional. In the past, when we wanted to buy clothes, we had to go to the mall and spend a lot of time choosing the clothes we want. But now, the existence of e-commerce makes us not need to spend a lot of time buy the clothes we want. The existence of e-commerce is all fast-paced. Well, the next is the literature review, and to shorten the time, I will explain one of the variables on this slide, ladies and gentlemen, namely content marketing. According to Terhoje et al. 2022, content marketing is the process of creating, distributing, sharing relevant, compelling, and timely content to engage customers at the right point in their purchasing consideration process, encouraging them to convert to business building outcome. And also this variable, measured by 5 indicators adapted from Napawood et al. 2022, there are relevant, accurate, easy to understand, attracts, and benefits. And for this slide, I will also explain only one variable, namely customer engagement, as one of the intervening variables in this research. According to Tripathi 2009, customer engagement is a measure to describe the level how enthusiasm customer between a brand. This interaction can occur in various forms, for example, questions, comments, likes, sharing, even purchase. And also this variable measured by 5 indicators adapted from research et al. 2014 that are enthusiasm, enjoyment, attention, absorption, sharing, learning, and endorsing. The last literature review is according to Chiptana 2012, purchase decision is a decision stage where consumer actually purchase a product. And also this variable measured by 5 indicators adapted from Upadana et al. 2020 that are decided to choose, priority, willing to sacrifice, and like the products. The last literature review is according to Chiptana 2012, purchase decision is a decision stage where consumer actually purchase a product. And also this variable measured by 5 indicators adapted from Upadana et al. 2020 that are decided to choose, priority, willing to sacrifice, and like the products. Well, from the conceptual model, I can formulate the hypotheses that are content marketing, influencer marketing, and social media marketing as well as e-com have positive and significant impact on customer engagement of Tokopedia application in Indonesia. And the second is content marketing, influencer marketing, and sales promotion, social media marketing as well as e-com have positive and significant impact on purchase intention and purchase decision. And the third is customer engagement and purchase intention have positive and significant impact on purchase decision. The next slide is the research methodology. The distribution method in this research using accidental sampling. Well, accidental sampling is taking respondents based on coincidence without really being designed, so that anyone who is made by chance and probability having used Tokopedia application will be taken as a sample. And the sampling technique in this research using simple random sampling, the sample in this research using rule of thumb from Hare et al. 2019, It depends of total item multiplied scale 5 to 10, and in the research has 38 item multiplied scale 5 equal 190 samples. And using analysis tool same threshold equation modeling with MS software and SPSS. After we conducted this research, these are characteristic respondents. We have dominant male with the age 21 until 25 years old, working as a private employee and have income 1 until 4 million rupiah, and the last education is a senior high school. And we will next to instrument test, which consists validity and reliability tests. Ladies and gentlemen, it can be seen on this slide that the instruments of content marketing and influencer marketing are valid because the value of coefficient correlation greater than 0.30 according to Sugino 2012. And all items of content marketing and influencer marketing are reliable because the value of Cronba alpha greater than 0.60 according to Sugino 2012. Well, we will move to the instrument test of sales promotion and social media marketing. The result is all items are valid because the value of coefficient correlation greater than 0.30 according to Sugino 2012, and also all items are reliable because the value of Cronba alpha greater than 0.60. And also to the electronic word of mouth and customer engagement variable, all items are valid because the value of coefficient correlation greater 0.30, and all items are reliable because the value of Cronba alpha greater than 0.60. Still to the purchase intention and purchase decision, the result is are valid and all reliable. The next slide is the loading factor, where each variable has the stronger indicator, where the indicator can reflect the variable. There are 8 variables with a total of 38 indicators, and for variable content marketing or X1 has attracts its strongest indicator, for X2 has informativeness, and for X3 has frequent and subscription. For X4 has trendiness, for X5 has participate in online discuss, for Y1 has enthusiasm, for Y2 has high intention, and for Y3 has decided to choose. Ladies and gentlemen, after the data is analyzed and hypothesis testing is done using MS software, the table shows that the 17 hypotheses drawn previously, the result show that 11 out of 17 relationship variable or hypotheses are declared significant or the hypotheses were accepted, and then 6 are not significant or the hypotheses were rejected. After knowing the hypothesis result, this is the modification model that shows where is relationship between variables significant and not significant. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will move to the conclusion in this research. The first, content marketing have positive and significant impact on customer engagement. The result of this study support the research of Martvia and Fasni 2022, Prasetya and Susilo 2022. And the second, influencer marketing has positive and significant impact on customer engagement. The result of this study support the research of Sijabat et al. 2022, Ali and Al-Qudah 2022 up to the 17 hypotheses. Purchase intention has positive and significant impact on purchase decision. The result of the study support the research of Puspita Sari et al. 2018, Ningsi et al. 2023, and the result of this study do not support the research of Chun et al. 2021. And also there are recommendations for the Tokopedia. The first is Tokopedia needs to develop and disseminate relevant and high quality content to attract and retain users' attention. The second, Tokopedia should consider collaborating with influencers who have audiences that match their targets to strengthen relationship with users and influence purchase decision. The third, Tokopedia should make the most of social media to attract with users, share product information, and build communities around them. The next, Tokopedia should actively monitor and manage online reviews and feedback and encourage customers to share their positive experience to increase trust and drive purchase decision. Tokopedia needs to focus on strategies that increase user engagement, such as loyalty programs and personal interaction, and use effective marketing strategies to increase purchase intention and drive conversion from purchase intent to purchase decision. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the presentation of the result of research entitled Navigating Consumer Behavior to Digital Marketing, a study on Tokopedia in the Industry 4.0 era. Hopefully, the result of the research that have been carried out are useful for the community.